The JLab GO Air True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the new JLab GO Air True Wireless Earbuds, and they're priced only at $29. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a quick start guide and small, medium, large ear tips. The GO Air features 5 hours of listening time, 20 plus with the case. 15 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, custom EQ settings, USB for charging, and it's IPX4 sweat and water resistant. The case has a very slim and sleek look to it. It has a plastic feel all around, and it comes in a variety of color options. The earbuds are exposed on the top for easy access. On the bottom of the case, you'll find a built-in USB cable for charging, just like the other JLab True Wireless models. Inside the case, you have the status LED lights in the middle. The earbuds are similar to the JBuds Air, but they are about 20% smaller. Plastic feel all around, and you can see the two-tone design. The outer face has the JLab logo along with a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have charging contacts, microphone, interchangeable ear tips, LED, and touch controls. And here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps or a long hold to navigate. These also have the 3 EQ settings, JLab Signature for amplified bass and vocals, Balance which has no enhancement, and Bass Boost for amplified bass and sub-bass. Just tap 3 times to toggle. And just a quick size comparison, here it is next to the Air icons. The case comes in at 2.9 by 1 by 1.4 inches. It weighs in at 34 grams, and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
There's a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the JLab GO Air microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. You can use the earbuds independently, left or right side, and the pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the JLab GO Air earbuds. I found them to be comfortable, and it created a nice tight seal. It does require a slight twist to get them seated properly. Touch controls don't add pressure in the ear canals when navigating, and they felt secure. Build and quality is solid. The case has a sleek look and I like the color options that they offer. It feels durable along with the earbuds. It definitely has a slim profile and it's easy to carry around. The earbuds don't protrude out as much compared to the JBuds Air. And the touch controls were responsive. I had no issues with them. Battery life is fair, coming in at 5 hours and 20 plus with the case. Now when it comes to sound, these didn't disappoint. Bass was pronounced and it was tight. Mids and highs also come in clear and clean, and I felt that there is good separation. Also, having the EQ settings gives you a bit of flexibility to adjust it depending on the music genre you listen to. Overall, I feel that JLab has released a great pair. They are definitely a bargain starting at $29. You get the JLab build quality along with the sound signature. They're easy to carry around and take on the go as well. So that is my review of the JLab GO Air True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Till next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.